Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome to today's English class. So for today, I will be using your textbook Full Blast on page 9. Please use your exercise book to copy the notes and do your exercises. This is what you have to do for today. Number 1, read together with me. Number 2, while reading, try to understand the concept of tenses. Number 3, listen to me attentively on how to use the tenses correctly. Number 4, copy and answer the notes and the questions in the exercise book. And number 5, don't forget to key in your attendance. Okay, for today we will cover on present simple, present progressive, and stative verbs. All these three you have learned in your Form 3, and today we will revise it a little bit and discuss so you will remember and can use it again for this year. Let's get started. Okay, the first one is present simple. Present simple is the basic tense that uses the base form of the verb. Good. Okay, this is where you have to identify the subject. For example, as you can see there, the black color, I, you, we, they, and he, she, it. So when the subject is plural, you don't have to add s after the verb, like play, go, sleep. But if the subject is singular, he, she, it, you have to add s after the verb. He goes, plays, goes, sleeps. Look at the example. I play tennis every day. She sleeps a lot. In the question form, are you, we, they, do you, or does she? That is the for positive. Now look at the negative one. You just add do not or does not. Okay, so the basic one is if the subject is plural, don't add s, and the subject is singular, you add s after the verb. Move on to present progressive. The verb that indicates about an action or condition that is happening now, frequently, and may continue in the future. So this is where you add ing to your verb. Okay. So you have to also remember the verb to be for the subject. If I, we put am. He, she, it, we use is. We, you, they, we use are. So after you put am, is, are, you add ing after the verb. Look at the example. I am playing tennis. He is playing tennis. We are playing tennis. Now look at the question form. Am I playing? Is he playing? Are we playing? And the negative form, you just add not. Okay? Okay, move on to stative verbs. Stative verbs are verbs that describe a state rather than action. As you probably know, there is always an exception to the rule. The exception in our case is that some verbs are usually not used in progressive tenses. These verbs are called stative verbs. Stative verbs usually refer to a state or condition which doesn't change. Stative verbs are used in simple tenses. So, when describing states, they never take the continuous ing form. Okay, so look at the example of stative verb there. Like, love, hate, appear, believe, feed, sound, remember. So when you are stating these things, for example, involve feelings, you don't put ing. Look at the first example, like. The correct way to use it is I like you. The wrong way to use it is I am liking you. You never put ing to such condition. And you may read the rest and try to understand it. Now I hope that you have understand the previous notes. Now this is the exercise for you to work on today. Please copy the notes and also these exercises in your book. Before I end our lesson, if you have any questions, please ask me. And if you have any trouble, please also tell me. Okay class, that is all for today. Thank you.